Crafting an outstanding WordPress site is made effortless with Elementor Pro, a robust page building add-on. But what if you could do more than that? Introducing Wincher, the most favorite keyword analytics tool in 2023. This powerhouse empowers you to analyze and monitor hundreds of keywords across your website, landing pages, blogs, and posts. Gone are the days of juggling tools. Wincher merges keyword research and competition analysis seamlessly. Picture this: wielding the leading web design toolkit alongside an SEO juggernaut. It's the ultimate duo. Tailored for individuals and agencies alike, the fusion of Elementor Pro and Wincher ensures a steadfast SEO performance. Eager to experience this potent sorcery? Join the league and be among the first to unlock this game-changing integration. Stay tuned with BdThemes.